Un vehiculo is vehicle. Defensa is the bumper over here. Puerta is the door. Luz delantera is the headlight. Capo is the hood. The steering wheel is volante. Puerta trasero is the tailgate. Llanta is the tire. Copa is the wheel cap. Ventana is the window. So for the floor plan, we've got El Baño is the bathroom here. El Cuarto is the bedroom. La Cocina is the kitchen. El Comedor is the dining room. La Sala is the living room. El Closet is the closet. So El es Dan. Dan es viejo. Dan es un adulto. El es Titus. Titus es joven. Titus es bajo. El es John. John es alto. John es un adolescente.